healthy isn't a goal, it's a way of living. Good morning, all of you. Let's continue our next topic, water. Water is the most important constituent of food. Although water does not provide energy or any nutrient, it is essential for our life. Our body is made up of about 70% water. Water enters our body not only when we drink it, but also through the food we eat. Water is needed by our body to perform many vital functions. Let's see some of them. It helps to transport digested food, chemicals, and gases. It collects waste from different parts of the body and removes them in the form of urine and sweat. It helps to absorb nutrients that we obtain through food. It helps to regulate our body temperature through the process of sweating. To carry out these functions smoothly, we need to drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Most of the water needed by our body comes from drinking water and beverages like tea and coffee. We also get water from most food items we eat. For example, fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish provide some quantity of water to our body. Our body constantly loses water through breathing, sweating, and urinating. This loss of water must be made up for, otherwise dehydration can occur. Children, do you know what is dehydration? Excessive loss of water from the body is called dehydration. Vomiting, diarrhea, heat stroke, or excessive physical activities which cause sweating lead to dehydration. During dehydration, the body not only loses water but also loses minerals like sodium and potassium. This loss of minerals and water from the body may lead to cramps and weakness in the body. So one should drink enough water to prevent dehydration. To treat dehydration, oral rehydration solution (ORS) is used. It is available free of cost at primary health centers. ORS can be prepared at home by mixing 6 teaspoonfuls of sugar and half teaspoonful of salt in 1 liter of boiled water.